Carious lesions affecting young permanent teeth are very hard to deal with. This is due to the fact that the children always, or most of the time, actually have limited cooperation. Add to the fact also that mostly they do have wide apex or incompletely formed root. So in this case, you cannot go straight forward for endodontic treatment. Course, we're going to discuss the different line of treatments that we do have to deal with a deep carious lesion in case of incompletely forming roots, like epexogenesis, apexification, and regenerative endodontics. Even extractions will be discussed during this course. Hoping to see you soon. I'm Dr. Sarah Shafi, and this is SBC Online Academy.